Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make whitening rice milk soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need goat milk based soap which contains alpha hydroxy acid to remove dead skin cells and prevent acne. It lightens the skin and it prevents eczema and itching. You need white rice. You can choose to use basmati or jasmine rice. The key ingredient you'll be needing is a fermented rice water, which is also known as the rice wine. Rice wine increases skin elasticity, it prevents wrinkles, pimples, acne, it whitens the skin, it helps in getting rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, age spots, it soothes sunburn, eczema, skin rashes, itching and inflammation. You need distilled water to ferment the rice. You need lemon oil. It lightens the skin, it helps in fading dark spots, acne, it prevents premature aging and it removes blackheads. You need tea tree essential oil which helps in fading acne, it treats eczema, skin inflammation, blackheads and it unclogs pores. You don't really have to use this exact essential oil. You can choose to use lavender or orange essential oil or any other essential oil. It all depends on what you want it to do for you. Apart from disinfecting your working equipment, you also need rubbing alcohol to remove bubbles from your soap before cooling. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting half cup of white rice. Next, I'm putting 1 cup of distilled water, then I'll stir and leave for 24 hours. So this is our white rice after 24 hours. We'll be needing just the rice wine for this soap, so I'll sieve and leave the rice wine to settle. I'll just cut the goat milk soap a little, then I'll double boil on low heat. So our soap is completely melted. I'll just pour out the top of the rice wine. This is what we'll be using. I'll just pour it into the soap and mix. And put in 1 tablespoon of lemon oil, and put in about 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. Then I will mix and set aside. So I'm just applying coconut oil on my soap mold to enable the soap come out easily after it solidifies. So now I'm pouring my soap into the mold. I'm now spraying rubbing alcohol on the soap to take out the bubbles, then I'll leave the soap to harden up. This is a face and body soap and is good for all skin types. It whitens the skin, it prevents and fades acne, dark skin patches, pimples, eczema, and it unifies the skin tone. While using this soap, don't forget to always wear your sunscreen. You use this soap 2 times daily as you use your normal soap. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload any video. That's why you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.